some things that I found in my driveway and one over by my pipe. One, this cool rock. I think I might have like a crystal in it. Rocks can be cool. And some of them are actually fossils. Number two, this piece of wood. I don't know what it's from, but it's really cool. I think it's from a tree. We have 2 new beehives and 1 hornet's nest that's now gone. Oh, somehow broke. And yeah, one of the beehives is in my wall / outside. I don't know what that is, but yeah. So make sure to hit the like button. If you're not new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later.